I think the biggest advantages of people coming to Phuket International Hospital is, first of all, the quality of care that they get. The quality, the standards are quite high, and also the cost. To some degree they can be half of the costs of, to 1/8 of the costs of those experienced in Western countries. There are no waiting lists, so people can have instant procedures done. So people, we find, come on holiday and they can relax by a resort, relax by the beach, and then come to the hospital and have their procedures done instantly.
It's always been fantastic. We've been using the hospital here since we've been on the island, which is 10 years. We've had quite a lot of experience. I've had operations here myself. My husband has been in here, and now my father, who's been living in Phuket for the last 6 years, he's 82, and he's in here at the moment, and the doctors are fantastic, and so are the nurses.
Phuket has the attraction of offering this complete range of service. International airport, you can fly here from almost anywhere in the world. You can check into the hospital, have the procedure done almost instantly. Then you have access to the infrastructure in Phuket. Hotels, transport, great restaurants, great beaches, and we are near all of the other destinations that this region has to offer. Phuket International Hospital is very much aware of the language barriers that some people may perceive are present, and we have employed a range of international coordinators who are fluent in a range of different languages. We have Japanese, Russian, Scandinavian, German, and other staff within the hospital who are fluent in a range of other languages. These international coordinators are also responsible to look after the international guests. It's not just assisting with language problems, but it's assisting with everything from booking a hotel, to collecting people from the airport, to ensuring that people can get access to the internet, or indeed just helping the people to buy a stamp so they can send a postcard back home. The international office is set up as a one-stop shop to assist international clients that want to come to Phuket International Hospital for a procedure or to see one of our physicians or staff. Phuket International Hospital employs over 50 full-time and part-time physicians in a complete range of surgical and medical professions. All of them are qualified to the highest possible standard that Thailand has to offer. That is, that they are graduates of Thailand universities and accredited to practice medicine within Thailand. But many of them as well have practiced overseas or been given opportunities to visit overseas to further expand their experience. Indeed, some of the surgeons here at Phuket International Hospital are world renowned for the procedures that they can perform. For example, plastic surgery, we have surgeons here who are within a handful of doctors of the calibre or being able to perform the procedures that some of the surgeons can do here at Phuket International Hospital.
As the medical director of Phuket International Hospital, I'm responsible for over 50 physicians that have a 24-hour service in this hospital, both inpatient and outpatient department. I will reassure foreigners who want to come here for our service that we have a high international standard of service in this hospital. Our physician, our equipment, and also the high standard in the ward, inpatient and outpatient service.
Most of the people who come to the hospital avail of treatment like plastic surgery, dental work, or basic surgery like hernia treatment, or orthopedic procedures like hip and knee replacements. People who may have to wait for long periods for surgery in their home countries find that they can have these procedures done immediately at Phuket International Hospital. The hospital has a full range of services on site, such as X-ray, laboratory and operating rooms, and this reduces waiting times considerably.
Compared to other Western countries, we have a high nurse-patient ratio in order to provide high standard of care to patients.
At Phuket International Hospital we offer a range of medical and health check-up type programs where people can select actually a very cheap or rather more extensive check-up program. These are generally completed within 1 day. Results are normally available within 1 week, and we will either give results to clients by email or post results to them. But we find a lot of patients are wanting health checkups. They're coming in from overseas. They are very, very cheap. Our cheapest is around about $10 US. Our most expensive is around about $300 US. And in terms of value, our most expensive would cost you thousands of dollars in a Western country.
If a friend asked me if they should come to Thailand for medical treatment, I would highly recommend it. Not only because of the service, but because of the quality and because of the price.
I would highly recommend the International Hospital to anybody in the world. As I say, you get first-class treatment. It is 5-star.
It's nearly better than my hotel.
I think equally as good and in a lot of cases better than back home, wherever back home may be.
After staying here a couple of days, I can say that it's been as good an experience as being in hospital can be.
At Phuket International Hospital we take our slogan quite seriously: international standards, international service and international care, and we do really try to live up to those standards.
100%, care is 100%.
Farewell och hej då.
See ya.
До свидания. До встречи.
Sayonara.
Auf Wiedersehen.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Phuket International Hospital. International standards, international service, international care.